Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I am out here in the, that's blue sand right there. Out here with this guy Keith that I met. He's one of my watchers on YouTube. He watches my YouTube videos. And met him out here. I'm just out here following him around today. He's showing me some stuff that I've never been on. I never knew that it was even here. It's crazy, the stuff that you find, especially if you meet up with somebody like this guy Keith that knows the area. And somebody like me, I'm from the Ozarks. I have no clue about this area. So, yeah, it's super cool to meet him. Super nice guy, too. Thank you, Keith. I'm sure he'll be watching this video. He'll comment below. So, yeah, there's just all kinds of trails out in here. This is actually state land. I guess you're supposed to have an OHV sticker to write out here. That's what they say. I do anyway, just in case, to be safe. Golly. Don't want to hit that one fast. This little CT, you hit them sharp edge ones very fast and it'll bottom out. Let's see with a big old fat guy like me on there. There is some, you gotta watch that gravel. You get in the middle there, that middle is the worst spot. It's kind of raised up and it's real deep and loose. Bike kind of just wants to walk around on you. Phew, dead cow. Went by that earlier. That old cow's kind of ripe. Yeah, I've seen that. I was like, why is it still there? Yeah, don't turn that gate over. I don't know how to hook it if you do. Wire stretchers. I do the same thing. I get on with the kickstand down. Now, not on this one, I don't necessarily, but on my 300L, I do. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Right. Here we go. Where he's gonna take me, I have no clue. Need a little air in my tires. These tires are too low. I can feel it smashing against the rim. I don't want to pinch flat. And they feel like they're too low. Not sure what's in them right now. Slow down, hot rod. Makes you feel like a little kid riding this thing. It's a long ways out across this. Really, quite a ways. Further than I figured. There's a lot more riding out here than I figured anyway. Oh, no trespassing. They pretty, yeah, probably did. Probably idiots throwing trash out, most likely. That's usually what it is. I don't know why people got to do that. They don't understand or don't care. Back down in the canyon. I'm back here, Keith. Tagging up the rear. See what he's pointing at. I'm not sure. He's talking about those bowls right there. Well, it says my battery level's low, so I better end this video here. I didn't bring an extra camera, but thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up and subscribe down below. We'll catch you on the next video. Right on.